Hello everyone, welcome to JT classes. I am Kanchan Somi, an alumnus of NIT Calicut. In today's video, we are going to discuss an important topic in quadratic equation, and that is location of roots. Okay, so basically in location of root what happens, we will be given some quadratic equation, and in that quadratic equation some unknowns will be there. Now they will be giving some constant like both the roots are greater than some number 2, both the roots are smaller than some number, like any number will be given. Then they'll say one root positive, one root negative, one is greater than 2, one is smaller than 1. Like that the constants will be given us, and using that information we have to find out the value of the unknown. So basically in location of root we have mainly 4 categories. So all those we will be discussing one by one. Coming to the first one saying that suppose we have some quadratic equation and alpha and beta are the roots of that equation. We have a number k. So k lies in between the roots. It means k lies inside the roots. What will be the condition? We know that if we have any quadratic equation, then only two possibilities are there. Either my graph will be like this or the graph will be like this. So in the first one I'll say a is positive, in the second one a is negative. Suppose the roots are alpha and beta. And what we are saying that a number k lies inside the roots. Number k lies inside the roots. For the first one, if I'll ask you what is f of k, so can I say f of k is negative? Likewise, for the second one, if I'll ask you f of k, then we'll say f of k is positive. Including these two, I can conclude that a into f of k is negative. From the second one also we can say a into f of k is negative. So what can we conclude? We can conclude that whenever my any particular number is inside the roots, between the roots, then we can easily say that a f of k is less than 0. So if we check out the previous problem in which we were talking about, check out the third point. The third point is one root is positive, one root is negative. So can I say one root positive, one root negative? It means for sure the number 0 lies inside the roots. Lies inside the roots, or can I say lies in between the roots? Okay, now since 0 lies in between the roots, what can we say? We can say a into f of 0 is like negative. Now check out the equation. In equation what is a? A is the leading coefficient, that is 1. So from here we can say f of 0 is negative. Now in the equation put x equals to 0, check out f of 0. So if we do that, we will get m is less than 0. So we got the answer that m is less than 0. So whenever my m will be negative, we will be getting one root positive, one root negative. That's the answer. Thank you.